From outer space, four power crystals arrive on the troubled world. They seek out four friends who are always looking to do good. The crystals give the friends incredible powers, and with the help of the mysterious crystal mentor, the friends become heroes. Tommy Tom heroes are ready for the fight. Heroes gonna save the day. Tom's got strength and a hand as fast as light. Friendship is the only way. Together they will work to do what is right. I want to join. Tommy Tom Heroes Hank has a trick or two. Heroes are here to save.
Tommy Tom Heroes here to save. Take down the like Tom. Heroes here to save. Take down the Heroes here to save.
Tommy Tom here's the Pegasus of power. Zero goes to the day.
Fans Club, they'll show what they can do.